Just so you guys know what's going on, this color in sage green is on sale here for 89 bucks. So we're gonna see what's in there. We were walking the aisles and we found this Ninja single surf pod system for 70% off. And if we scan it, that's what we're looking for. That looks like this, but it's not showing up on the app for the price. So we're gonna go over and scan it.
So this one is set for 68.
What you think?
Yeah, boy.
So that seems like a good part.
Seems like a good one to me. All right, guys, so as you can see here, this was normally $230 and we got it for $68 at 70% off.
To be the first to know about these drops, you can join the free reselling community in the link in my bio.